Should have warned me the feds on this.
Told you to stay away from it.
What if I don't
Give it here.
check?
Come on, give it here.
You wouldn't.
No, so now you have to pay for me.
Come on.
You know I can
Give it up. Come on.
For people like you anything for.
Sucks.
You were one of them.
I would lie for you.
Give it here. Come on. Did you get it?
No, it's in her mouth. It's on the thing. Lick, 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 lick. Lick, lick, lick. Nom, nom.
Alright, give it here. Come on. Socks.
A proud new step must be both will continue to be a productive friendship with the United States.
Well, at least for us, it's had a good day.
Jail. Jeffrey will come around eventually. You've known each other too long.
Come on, Socks. Socks, come on. Oh.
She's like, fuck you. Wait.
Come here.
Hey, honey.
Bring it here.
Yes, go back.
No, you keep throwing it.
Okay. Yeah, no. Do you want me to ask something else? We'll just let me know.
And it's the
Here, Socks. Come on.